Hello, everybody. Welcome to Newbies Work on Cars. And today I am introducing my first Copart project. A lot of people been interested in building these and show it to people and getting all these smashed, crashed cars. I thought I'll give it a try, but instead I bought a fully functioning car from there. This is my 2010 Hyundai Sonata, and I'll take you for a round and see how things going on with this car. All right, so we'll take a walk around in. It's a white Hyundai Sonata. And it comes in with the remote, and it is actually a clean title. So interesting, Went to Copart to buy something, interesting or something broken I can fix. I ended up with this. I am not going to keep the car. I'm just getting cleaned up and hopefully, sell it and get some quick profit from it. Let's take a look on the inside. I've been doing some cleaning on the car, so it was way much worse than what it is now. Yeah, it's the doors were like all black color, which is should not. It's all dirty and slimy, and we got a tear over there, but really nothing, not much to it. Just some cleaning and we'll be good. Now with any car, every car has been sold on an auction for some reason. Like it's have to have something. So in our case, let me get it started for you. So it starts right away. Now this car shows check engine light. It doesn't show it all the time. Like it comes and goes, and it's related to an evap code. I found what's the purge valve, like it's in the way, all the way back next to the canister, and basically that's the main issue with the car. The other thing is that passenger window does not roll up or down from any switch. So we need to take a look at that one, and so we'll have to have a visit to the junkyard to do so. The other thing is the mileage on the car is a little bit high for dealers to be interested in it. So that's why you see it like on the auction, like Copart. It's 154,000 miles, but everything runs beautiful. Aside of the fact, the window in here that doesn't roll up and down, and the check engine light that shows, every once in a while. Really nothing wrong with the car, and cleaning, of course. So we'll take you along with us on this project. Should not, take very long for me to get it going, maybe a week or so. And let's stay tuned. One of the things that's really annoying about these tears in the seat, and basically I'm going to attempt to fix them. I tried to put the tripod anywhere for me to film. Not gonna happen. There's not a space. So I'll give it a try, and I'll show you once I get it done. All right, now look at this beauty. It's not the best thing, but it's better than the hole that was before. Okay, next thing, I'll be replacing the module or the motor for the window, so it goes up and down, because this one is stuck, doesn't work. So we'll figure that out here. Okay, so this one is it's fixed. I'll go ahead and just back up a little bit, and we'll show it to you. right, it works. The only thing left, that's for next time, I'll be installing this purge valve canister, whatever that thing is, that sits on the back left, and we'll be done. What are you doing?
Cleaning the filter. It's filled with dust.
This is to fix P0449, I think, yeah. For the evap, whatever, 2010 Hyundai Sonata. And basically, if you look underneath here, this is where the filter sits. And this is the canister over here. And that's the valve that usually gives you the code, but you know, the main issue with this one is when you try to fill it up, it does not let you fill up the fuel.